What's up everyone, in this tutorial we'll be guiding you on how to deposit into Deriv account. You'll need to make sure you're logged on into your Deriv account, and if you're finding this, great for you, but if you're not, you will see cashier at the top area right here. Whatever the case is, if you have cashier, click on cashier and it's going to take you to a page where you have the option to add money. But for us in this version, we have add money and you have a USD wallet, BTC wallet. Now if you want to deposit in crypto, all you need to do is to click on BTC wallet and you can see deposit. Click on deposit and here you have crypto transfer or flat on ramp option. We are going to be choosing crypto transfer and it's going to take us to this page where we have our BTC QR code or the alphanumeric address. Do make sure to use BTC as the network from whatever wallet or other exchange which you'll be using. Now that's not all for depositing, as we can also go home and choose the USD wallet. When you choose the USD wallet, you can click on deposit, the plus icon there, and you have under all, you can see all the options available. If you would like to narrow things down to card, you have card, e-wallet, bank, alternatives. Now depending on your country, the banking options will be different. But when you click on all, you can scroll through all the options regardless of the format. And then of course you could select one of the options, for example, credit or debit cards, and then put in your card number, expiration date, card security code, the amount right here, which is a minimum of 10 to 5,000, and then click on deposit now. Then the transaction will be completed. Now back home, if you're not interested in USD wallet or BTC wallet, you have more wallet option. Click on more wallets and you can see you could put Ethereum, LTC, or Litecoin, EUSDT, TUSDT, USDC, and XRP. There are other payment methods such as using a payment agent, and these options may vary depending on your country. Now of course you can follow the same steps as we were on BTC with the other crypto wallets, and it's pretty much the same. So these are the steps and the options for depositing in your Deriv account.